In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to generate a profit and loss report using Intuit. This tutorial is perfect for small business owners, accountants, or anyone interested in diving deeper into financial reporting using one of the most popular accounting software platforms available. Now, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks. You can do this easily by opening your preferred browser and typing in the web address. Once you're on the homepage, make sure to log in with your credentials if you haven't done so already. This will direct you to your dashboard, where you can access the full suite of QuickBooks features. Once you've accessed your dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find the main navigation pane loaded with different options pertinent to managing your business finances. Among these options, you will see Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports. Reports in QuickBooks are designed to help you get insights at a glance, providing you a quick overview of your financial situation. After clicking on Reports, you'll want to look for the Profit and Loss option. This important report summarizes the revenues, costs, and expenses incurred during a specific period of time, often a fiscal quarter or year. Is a vital tool for assessing your business's performance and profitability. Click on Profit and Loss to proceed. As you access the report, you may encounter different viewing options. By default, QuickBooks may present the modern view. If you're more accustomed to the traditional layout, or you find it easier to read, you'll want to switch to what's called the Classic View. To do this, look for the Switch to Classic View option. This toggle is typically found at either the top or side of the report screen. Click on it to change how the information is presented. The Classic View is appreciated for its clear and concise layout, often preferred by users familiar with QuickBooks' older interface. Once activated, the Classic View will seamlessly display all your important financial data such as gross profit, expenses, net profit, and more in an organized manner. If you're planning to analyze your report further or share it with others, QuickBooks offers you additional enhancements. You can customize the report parameters such as date ranges, cash or accrual basis, and more. Remember, generating regular profit and loss reports can significantly aid in spotting trends and making informed decisions regarding your business. By understanding these basics within QuickBooks, you empower yourself with the tools needed for effective financial management. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to accessing a profit and loss report using QuickBooks. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it assists you in taking full advantage of your financial reporting capabilities. Be sure to check out other videos for more QuickBooks tutorials and have a great day managing your business finances.